Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jade if you are new, and I love to travel. So I wanted to challenge myself with this trip that I'm on right now. I have packed 10 days worth of clothes in this here backpack. I fly Frontier, and Frontier charges like $65 a bag. I figured if worst comes to worst, I will spend $100 on clothes here and ship them back to Delaware. At least I'll get something new out of it. But why not do a little challenge and see if I can actually survive 10 days out of a backpack. Everything I have is in here, in this backpack, which counted as a personal item for Frontier, so it was free. I don't know why I decided to do that, but here we are. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you everything that I brought, how I ended up sneaking extra bags or extra things on the plane, and I will be giving you updates throughout the 10 days of while I'm here, how my outfit situation's going, if I have to go to a laundromat and wash my clothes, or if I end up buying clothes. Anyways, let's get into what I decided to bring. First, I'm gonna show you what I wore to the airport and how I got everything through. I wore my blazers because I'm a gym girl, and these are also kind of cute, so I wear these in the gym and for being cute. So perfect shoe, too big to pack. I wore them to the airport. So I wore sweatpants and a sweatshirt on the plane, even though it's 110 degrees here in Arizona. Don't know that I'll wear these much, but I might in the hotel, you never know. The star of the show was this Chaps jacket, and I'm gonna show you why. This jacket, for one, is like oversized, so it's really big. For two, pockets here and here. Sorry, I'm crunching things. Pockets here and here. Also, it comes with this huge pocket here. It's huge, and I fit so much stuff in here. So when I was on the plane, I put all of my toiletries, see if I can get it in here. It's gonna be a little bit of a squeeze, but I fit all of my toiletries into this jacket pocket, and this is what it looks like when I went through. Then also, I don't know if they would count this as a personal item or if they would count it as part of my outfit because I was technically wearing it, but what I did was threw this fanny pack like that, and then I put my jacket like this, and I just looked frumpy. On this pocket, I actually had the tripod that my phone is on now and some candy. But if you are gonna travel with just a personal item, I would highly recommend getting a jacket that can fit your stuff into. Next part of the video, I'm gonna go through my personal item, what I packed in there, and why I chose what I packed. First and foremost, I packed these sandals. I only brought 2 pairs of shoes, sandals and sneakers. These are pretty easy to pack. I'm also unpacking this bag into one of these drawers, so I'm just gonna unpack the bag with you. I did roll all of my clothes, so like everything I brought is rolled, and that was way easier to pack it. I brought 1 pair of pants. I brought these black linen pants. I thought these would be decent in the heat. I then brought 2 cute tank tops. So these are so little and easy to pack, and I could wear these with the linen pants, or the outfit I brought on, I packed this too, so I could wear it with my denim shorts. These are the only pair of dressier shorts that I brought. I brought a lot of black tank tops. I wear a lot of black tank tops in my everyday life, so I brought 3 different black tank tops because these also double as activewear to me, so they're not just cute, perfect to wear with denim shorts or gym shorts. These are my favorite gym shorts. I actually got these off of Amazon, and they're all the same short, just different colors. It's just a ribbed, seamless, like biker short. The black ones I wear as a cute athleisure thing, so I could definitely wear these a lot. I also brought the gray and purple. I'll wear these as like comfortable or in the gym sort of outfits. Next thing I brought, I'm obsessed with these baby tees from Target. This is what they look like. They match everything. I brought 2 pairs of leggings. Like I said, these can double for the gym or for wearing cute Ys. They're so wrinkled. Brought a flared pair and then just a regular legging. I also packed a couple sports bras. This sports bra goes with this pair of leggings, so I could wear them together if I want as an outfit. Also just brought a regular black sports bra. I wear this to the gym all the time, but I could also wear it underneath of clothes. Also, off camera, I brought 15 pairs of underwear, which might be a little excessive, but I don't want to deal with it, and that's what I did. So, socks, I brought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of socks. So I don't think I'll really have to worry about socks either because I'm wearing sandals a lot. I know that it's pretty warm here, but at night it gets a little bit cool, so I brought this top or whatever, but this is just a white button up and I would wear it like this. I brought a bikini, obviously. I'm a little worried pajama wise. I just brought 2 pair of sleep shorts. I might regret that, but I don't know, we'll see. And then I brought 2 t-shirts, but these t-shirts are also kind of cute, so I could wear them like with my denim shorts or whatever. And that's all the clothes I have for the next 10 days. Why am I doing this? So I also brought a couple extra things. One luxury that I can't live without is my flat iron. Good hair is important to me, and if not, I'll be wearing a hat like I am today. And I actually wore this hat on the plane yesterday, so I didn't even have to pack it or anything. I also packed a couple extra things in this front pocket. I packed some feminine hygiene products, eye drops, nail polish, a battery pack, which is especially important on the plane, sunscreen, and sunglasses, which are also really important being here in Arizona. I also packed my contacts. I also packed dry shampoo. Like I said, good hair is important to me. I'll check in with you later. I'll show you different outfits that I combined together that look super cute, and we'll figure it out from there. Well, it's official. I cheated. I went and bought clothes. I'm hoping I could fit it in my backpack. I ran out of clothes, didn't want to wash them, so I went and bought some new ones. But that means I'm gonna do a small haul because I got cute stuff. I got a bikini, black linen shorts, black denim shorts, a bunch of tank tops, blue tank top, another black tank top, even though I already have 3, I've worn all of them, and I needed another one, green, because this is cute. Another pair of shorts to sleep in, because I only brought 2 of those for some reason. Another black tank top, but this is a cute corset one, so I can go out in this. Then my favorite piece, let me actually just show you this. I'm taking this home with me one way or another. I love it. I love it. Now I have a bunch of stuff to wear. We'll see if I can fit it all in my backpack, because if not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. All right, I got everything to fit back in the backpack, so I'm not cheating. I'm still living out of this backpack. On to my next location. Goodbye, hotel. I'm back home now. I wanted to go over how my trip was living out of a backpack for 10 days straight. Honestly, I thought it was going to be a lot worse than it was, and it wasn't that bad. I was able to put everything I bought into the bag and fly home with it. It did pass as a personal item, and I did not pay for luggage at all. These JanSport bags usually always work as a personal item. If you're going on a trip, I probably could have lasted even longer. Maybe I would have done my laundry or something. But if you're going on a trip, don't be scared to try to pack everything in a personal item, because it does work and it's actually really easy. It wasn't stressful for me at all. I think the rolling the clothes really helps me fit everything in the bag. I think that minimizing on makeup and toiletries really helped me, because I didn't pack shampoo, conditioner, soap, or anything. I just got that at the hotel that I was at, or like you could literally buy it when you get there. Save space on those things. Pack the things that you can't really buy, or the things you're not really willing to buy when you travel. So for me, that's like a flat iron, maybe my sandals. Wear your bulky items. Bring a jacket with big pockets that you can stuff. roll all your clothes, and you should be fine. I would have been fine for probably another 10 days if I could have washed my clothes. I would have been absolutely fine. I've always traveled with a huge suitcase that's horrible to lug around, and checking bags is super annoying. So being able to just take a backpack everywhere I was going was actually pretty convenient. So I would try it. I really hope you enjoyed today's video of me living out of a backpack for 10 days straight. It was an experience that I'll probably do again because it wasn't that bad and I actually enjoyed it. If you have any other tips, leave them down below in the comments because I'm excited to know for my next trip. I'm always traveling, so if you have any travel tips for me, let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.